Welcome to the channel, where we find the best of things so you don't have to look. If you clicked on this video, you must be looking for the top 5 best websites that pay you for using your voice. Something I recommend is that you go on each and every one of these sites, and look at how others freelance their voice, or use their voice to get paid. While of course diversifying your profile is always something to help you stand out. Using others' ideas and set up ways that's already getting paid from doing it is a shortcut to help you get started and paid now. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like us to make a video about next. The first one we're gonna look at here today is Upwork. Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design, web development, and many other things. This site helps professionals find projects and communicate with clients looking to get paid. If you're a new freelancer, or working in a new field, you can rack up valuable experience without always having to pitch clients cold here. People and companies are always looking for voices on here to use in films, commercials, voiceovers, and many other things in which these people and companies are willing to pay you nicely if you can help them get the job done. You can create an Upwork profile free of charge. When doing so, you can also choose to include an introductory video, which is an excellent opportunity to show prospective clients your unique voice attributes. Like most other freelancing platforms, Upwork has free and paid membership levels. Let's be honest, while the fee may hurt at first, the paid route can often lead to more work. The same is true here where, for a nominal monthly fee, you'll receive membership perks not available to free members. The next one we have here is Fiverr, which is a very known platform just like the first one. You can also register on this site for free, and setting up a profile on here is actually kind of easy. One important thing to know about Fiverr is that the platform doesn't really cater to the freelancers who work through it. Fiverr serves its clients first. Which isn't bad as long as you deliver quality work, meet deadlines, and communicate readily with your clients. Fiverr offers a lot of voiceover jobs for beginners from home. After you set up your profile, you're going to need to create some gigs, which is what Fiverr calls service offerings. Freelancers typically list a base service for a small fee and then offer upsells to increase their earnings. Voiceover artists do not have to audition for Fiverr as on various other platforms. Instead, orders come directly from clients who are impressed with your profile and the gigs that you create. With that being said, this is definitely one of my top favorites, and if you haven't already, go on the site and check out some of their gigs being offered. It might help you figure out how you want to offer your service. Next we have Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is another super large platform that connects clients and voiceover talent on a global basis. This platform offers many opportunities for voiceover artists, especially if they are fluent in languages aside from English. That said, this site is not known for high-paying gigs. There are a lot of jobs listed daily, but they do not typically pay as much as those on Upwork, or even Fiverr for that matter, so you probably won't find the richest voice actor in the world on here. If you are new to the voiceover industry and are looking to get paid to record phrases as a starting point, then Freelancer.com can be an excellent venue to develop a reputation, connect with dependable clients, and build your portfolio. Not sure if you heard of this one, but it's kind of obvious that this platform is one by the name, which is Voices.com. Unlike Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, Voices.com is dedicated solely to voiceover projects. Clients post their requirements, and you'll have to audition for projects on this leading platform that typically posts more than 5,000 new jobs monthly, so there are plenty of opportunities here to get paid to record your voice. This means that there are Voices.com jobs for voiceover artists and vocal recording artists alike. As you may expect, there is heavy competition on the platform, but that is a commonality of all leading platforms. If you are considering voiceover work as your full-time career, then you're going to have to get accustomed to this style of competition. That's why it's best to make every voice sample the very best you can. Another one that I'm gonna squeeze in, you should check out as well is Voice123.com. Voice123 is another leading online voice for money app where you can sell your voice recording services. Hundreds of thousands of successful projects have gone through this platform, where people have been able to record their voice for money and turn this into a really lucrative part-time online job. Just thought I would add that one in. So I guess the best is for last, which is YouTube. There is many ways to get paid from YouTube using your voice. One way is by creating videos and putting your voice over them. It's up to you whether you want to show your face or not. There is a lot of creators that make video just talking over videos. Something like this video is a perfect example of one. If you don't mind showing your face, then a video like this one while you talk might be even better. If you do music, you can record it and upload it on YouTube for free and get paid once you get enough views. Some other examples and things you can talk about on YouTube is news, finance, fitness, health, love, and many other things. For the most part, I'm trying to open your mind up and help you see that you can talk about anything on YouTube, and if you present it well enough, you can get paid for doing it right here on YouTube. With that being said, anything is possible, you just have to put some thought into it. That wraps it up for the top 5 best websites that pay you for using your voice. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment anything you would like us to make a helpful video about next. Thanks again for watching.